Welcome back everyone, I'm Joni, and today we're diving into a topic that can revolutionize the way that you plan your week. Color coding. Organization and time management are essential in our daily lives. They allow us to prioritize our time better, create boundaries, and ensure that we schedule time for the things that matter. Using color coding techniques can truly take our planner to the next level. Alright, let's get started. So why would you use color coding in your weekly planner? Color coding enhances visual organization and clarity. It also facilitates prioritization and task management by allowing you to quickly differentiate between tasks, appointments, and priorities at a glance. By assigning colors to different categories or subjects, you can easily see where your time is being spent and adjust accordingly. Step 1. Fill out your weekly agenda. It's important to start with a clear overview of your week by noting down any upcoming events, deadlines, or important tasks. This ensures that everything can be accounted for when scheduling things in. Step 2. Take tasks from your to-do list and schedule them into the time slots. If your tasks feel too big, it's important to break down your tasks into smaller steps to make them less overwhelming. Scheduling time into the week for your to-do list helps ensure that you're making progress on your priorities. Step 3. Assign colors to each topic or subject. For example, you might use blue for work-related tasks, red for fitness goals, green for personal activities, and yellow for school assignments. You can use different colored pens or highlighters for this step depending on how you want it to look in your planner. Step 4. Use highlighters to color code tasks according to their respective categories. This visually organizes your tasks within the planner and makes it easier to see what needs to be done. And that's the breakdown of the basics of color coding. Next, I'll show you 3 different ways you can utilize color coding depending on your needs and goals. The first type of color coding is time blocking, which is super similar to the example I showcased in the basics section. Time blocking helps in structuring your day efficiently because you're able to see a visual overview of the times that you're busy or free. It's also the most simple form of color coding because you only need 1 or 2 colors. You simply assign blocks of time to your tasks and create an at-a-glance view of your week. This technique involves assigning colors to different blocks of time in your day. For example, you might use yellow for morning tasks, blue for afternoon tasks, and purple for evening tasks. This method allows you to see your tasks broken up by morning, afternoon, or evening, which can help determine your energy of bandwidth throughout the day. What's really cool about this method is that you can also color code your to-do list to section your focuses for each part of the day. Color coding your goals or routines is a great way to build habits and track your progress. This method is my personal favorite because I like to use my planner to help me with my goals, not just to keep track of my schedule. To track your routines, you choose a color for each repeated task you complete throughout the week, such as daily walks, meal breaks, and workouts. This showcases the consistencies in your routine when they occur. Once you've established your routine, you can add in your other weekly needs like appointments and meetings. With this method, you're prioritizing your routines by working in your day-to-day tasks around them. If you want to track your goals, align the colors with specific goals or objectives. For example, I'm assigning colors to each of my monthly goals so that I'm able to see when, where, and how I'm working on these goals throughout the week. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of color coding and how to implement these techniques into your planner for better organization and productivity. If it helped you, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Passion Planner's YouTube channel for more planner tips like this. And leave us a comment below letting us know what videos you'd like to see next. See you next time!